Tom Crew with Guys on the Moor.
Guy Herr with Rashad Cooley Erickson.
Tom Ellingham, Hunt Electric, Senior Project Estimator.
Did we miss anybody?
Well, thank you guys all for coming. So, Sarah, if you come over here, Sarah is going to introduce the project, and also she's going to introduce each team. And she's going to tell you how the presentation are going to go today. Thank you, Sarah.
Okay, I'm Sarah Wallen. The whole class has designed the entire project. Today you're going to see each team present just a portion of that project. We completed it according to the design requirements given by the customer, the project schedule, design drawings, load calculations, estimation specifications, cut sheets, PowerPoint, and reflective statement. And first off is Chris Berg and Nick Brainerd, and they'll be giving you an overview of the project.
Good morning, guys. My name is Nick Brainerd.
I'm Chris Berg.
We're going to be doing an